Today I am making chocolate cake. For this I will take these ingredients: granulated sugar, wheat flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, orange essence, oil and egg. At first whip the egg, then add granulated sugar gradually. Then mix very well. Then add oil with the mixture. Mix very well. Then add wheat flour gradually with this mixture. Then add cocoa powder with the mixture and mix well. Then add orange essence few drop in this mixture. Then mix well. Then grease the mold with oil. Finally the cake is ready for bake at microwave at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. The cake is ready for serve. The cake is ready for it. Thank you.